talk about estate planning. As you know, we do a lot of estate planning for our clients for lots of different reasons, and there's a lot of things to consider in an estate plan. And usually during the design meeting, I'm talking to people, and I always ask them, this issue, and it's kind of a constitutional issue, and that's what I want to talk about. So, is your will constitutional or not? And does it have any constitutional provisions in it? And by that, what I mean is the First Amendment, in reference to the First Amendment, and often referencing the Second Amendment. So you would say, in the First Amendment, what's that have to do with my will? Well, I always ask people, would you like to make a gift to charity of some type? So the First Amendment has freedom of religion, expression, freedom to gather with the people that you want to be with, and that could be in charitable organizations that are religious in nature, or even not religious, but for instance, 501c3 charities like a school, fraternity, medical associations, different things like that. So that's kind of a First Amendment idea. There's also Second Amendment ideas. I'm always asking people regarding special property that you want to give to someone. And we kind of go through like antiques and jewelry and heirlooms and coin collections. And we also ask people about gun collections, because there's a lot of people who have gun collections that are heirlooms for their family, or they might have significance for other reasons, or they might have significant value. And a parent wants one person in the family has got an interest in hunting and shooting sports, that kind of a thing. And so they want their gun collection to go to that specific person. And there's even a deeper issue there that you sometimes hear about, gun trusts. And these are for certain types of guns that have to be registered in order to own them. And if there was a change of ownership through death, you would suddenly have the gun in a ownership by an illicit person. It could be a crime. It would be a crime. So we use a gun trust from time to time as part of the estate plan to make sure that the gun is always owned by the trust as a legal person that has the license that's necessary for that. And these are very specialized weapons that fit into real narrow categories, but not your normal handgun or shotgun, that type of thing. But there are different weapons that do fall into this category, and we'd be happy to help you with that. So is your will or trust and estate plan constitutional? Are you providing for an entity under the First Amendment or the Second Amendment? Just a couple things that are kind of interesting way to talk about that. So I want to raise those with you, and we'd be happy to help you with your estate plan at any time. Give us a call, and that's it for today. Have a great day.